myself S.C. Pandey, PGT Biology from Tagore Public Schools, Surajgarh. As I have delivered the different lectures in the human digestive system, today I have discussed as the oesophagus and stomach. Oesophagus is the important pipe-like structure in the human digestive system. That is why it is called as food pipe. Oesophagus is called as food pipe. Important functions of oesophagus is as functions of oesophagus is important functions of oesophagus are here as the oesophagus first function is in the peristaltic movement. In the peristaltic movement. What is means of peristaltic? When food reaches in the esophagus from the pharynx in the form of small bolus, which is generally as the semi-solid form, which is due to the movement of the esophageal wall, contraction, relaxation, continue, and this contraction, relaxation continue faster. This is called a peristaltic movement. Due to the peristaltic movement, semi-solid food as bolus form, which becomes in the a wave form, liquid form, due to the peristaltic movement. And second one very important character is, it send food into stomach. It sends food into stomach as control method. How control method is found? Because presence of the wall between the opening of stomach and last part of esophagus. Another important character is, as third character is, upper part has striated muscle. And these striated muscles take part in the contraction, relaxations very much, as which is present in the upper part, and the lower part has both striated and non-striated muscle. Striated and non-striated muscle in the lower part. Such type of muscle present. Here, fourth important character of esophagus is the esophagio stomach wall, which is present at the cardiac lobe. Now it is called as cardiac wall also. store the food in esophagus. During churning. During churning means peristaltic movement. During peristaltic movement. And fifth important character is there are presence of the ruchi like structure as in the inner wall. Here inner wall has ruchi like structure. Ruchi means the growth or ridge like structure present inner wall. So inner wall has ruchi like structure in the esophagus. Next function of esophagus is it has no digestive role. It has no digestive role in the alimentary canal. So the seventh function is esophagus attached with pharynx at the upper part and stomach in lower part. So these are the discussion about the esophagus, and the esophagus, which is called as food pipe, main function is in the peristaltic movement. In the peristaltic movement means contraction and relaxations are present in the esophagus by which the solid food become the liquid form. By the regular contraction relaxations, I mean to say peristaltic movement, but esophagus, which has a valve at the end part which control the entry of the liquid food in the stomach, and inner wall of esophagus has generally ridge and furrow like structure which is called as ruchi and which is helpful in the peristaltic movement. And main important point is esophagus upper part which has striated muscles which take part much in the peristaltic movement, and lower part which has both striated and non-striated muscles, and here the peristaltic movement occur and food collected in the esophagus which is called as food pipe due to the presence of esophagio stomach valve, or nowadays it is called as cardiac valve. After telling the esophagus, I will tell you about the stomach. Stomach is called as digestive bag. Why it is called as digestive bag? Because it is bag-like structure. As largest part of the alimentary canal. Generally, stomach structure look like the bag-like structure, as the structure of stomach has shown here by the help of diagram. This is the structure of stomach. This is the structure of stomach. So stomach is a bag-like structure. Here, this part is stomach, which has generally two type of the surface as outer surface, which is generally convex. Outer convex part and inner concave part. Is found in the stomach, and the oesophagus, which generally open in the stomach, but there is presence of a valve between the oesophagus and stomach. This valve is present near the cardiac lobe. Valve present near the cardiac lobe. Hence, it is called as cardiac valve, but it is present between the oesophagus and stomach. In this sense, it is called oesophagio-stomach valve. Near the cardiac, so named as cardiac valve. Valve means which open at one side only. It means the food enters from the oesophagus in the stomach, in the cardiac lobe first, and another part which generally shows ridge structure. This is called as fundic lobe of stomach. Fundic lobe of stomach, where about 80% digestion of food occur in the stomach, and it is also has 80% part of the stomach. The part of stomach which is present near the liver, this is called as the pyloric lobe, which contains a pyloric pouch. So this is the lower pyloric lobe present in the stomach. Pyloric lobe present at the lower part of stomach, and fundic lobe upper part. In the middle, it is called as body of stomach, which generally has the convex outer part and concave inner part. The pyloric lobe, which reaches posteriorly in the form of pyloric pouch or pyloric tube, and the food after digestion in the stomach by the help of digestive enzymes under the influence of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, which is symbolized as HCl. Hydrochloric acid provides the acidic medium of stomach. Due to acidic medium, stomach has important role to kill the bacterium. As pyloric lobe, which opens in the duodenum part by the help of pyloric valve. Pyloric valve which present between the stomach part and duodenum. Here food enters from stomach to the duodenum by the pyloric valve. As valve open suddenly and food enters in the duodenum part. Here in the stomach, which look like the bag-like structure and takes part in the digestion of food. That is why stomach is called as digestive bag. Stomach has three important parts in which food from the esophagus, which enters in the stomach in the cardiac lobe, and then food mostly as digest in the fundic lobe. Why much digestion occur in the fundic lobe? Because mostly fundic lobe, which contain the digestive gland as different form, which generally digest the protein and milk protein in the form of renin as protein digested by the pepsin. Small amount of gastric lipase also secreted. The medium of stomach is acidic. After the as food digestion has completed, then the food in the form of as whey. Whey means liquid form of the curd. This liquid form food in the acidic medium, which is called as chyme, reaches in the duodenum part, which is first part of small intestine, by the help of pyloric valve, as once a small teaspoon liquid reaches in the duodenum part. Gradually, the liquid food enters in the duodenum part time to time from the stomach after digestion has completed. This stomach, which generally has an important structure which is present in the body of stomach or outer convex part, which is called as Pavlov pouch. Here, presence of the Pavlov pouch in the stomach. Via the Pavlov pouch, this is the Pavlov pouch. This Pavlov pouch, which generally used to secrete the mucus, helpful in the digestion of food, present in the as outer convex part of the stomach. As stomach, as clear picture, which shows a type of ridge and groove like structure. From outside, near the liver part, here situation of liver, and such part is called as pyloric tube, which comes from the pyloric lobe, where constriction are found. This again make a pressure on such liquid and continue such pressure result the digested food in the liquid form in the stomach before reaching in the duodenum part it again become masticated by the such type of pyloric tube which present near the liver part. Stomach, which generally has different types of glands in the stomach wall, as the stomach wall is very thick. Stomach wall is very thick, as shown here. So, due to the thick stomach wall, it generally prevented from the acid due to the presence of a layer in the inner wall of stomach, and this layer is due to the mucus layer. This is the mucus layer which formed by the mucus, and this mucus secretion occur by the mucus cell, and this mucus cell which generally present in the neck part of gastric gland. Other cells, other digestive cells present in the digestive gland in the stomach, like the peptide cell or chief cell or zymogen cell, name has given for the cell which secrete propepsin and prorenin like hormone, as the propepsin and prorenin which generally act the enzyme pepsin formation occur under the influence of HCl, hydrochloric acid, which generally changes the inactive form propepsin into active form pepsin. Likewise, prorenin changes in the renin form, then pepsin acts on the protein and changes protein into peptone and proteases. Likewise, renin acts on the milk protein and changes it into the pyracasein. Pyracasein, which is generally a form of curd-like structure, develop generally in the case of childhood condition, mostly in case of infant condition. Infant means the age between 0 to 1 years baby, because the renin secretion occur very much in the infant age. That is why infant, which generally depends on the milk as complete food for few months after the birth, then after the birth, if milk is main food in the infant, and renin which act on the milk protein which is called casein and changes it into the pyracasein. Here I want to show the different types of gland, like these are the large size structure containing gland, and this gland is called as Augentic gland. This is called as Augentic gland, and Augentic gland which generally contain the a type of cell which is called as parietal cell. Argentic gland which contain parietal cell in it, and this parietal cell which generally present in the Argentic gland which secretes the HCl in the stomach, and this HCl makes acidic medium of stomach because HCl which has pH about 1.5 to 1.8. So very acidic condition occur due to HCl in the stomach. Another type of glands which has many cells which are small in size, and these are called as the different names has given for this. These are peptic cell are known as zymogen cell. This zymogen cell which secrete the hormone like prorenin and propepsin. Small size cells also present in the fundic part which is very much small size, and these are called as mucus cells. Mucus cells which secrete the mucus. So in this way, in the structure of stomach, here this is the structure of stomach as which attached with the esophagus and duodenum part. In the structure, as the important point is structure of stomach. As stomach which has shown here, stomach has very thick wall. Here this thick wall as inner side wall which supported, which prevented by the mucus, as mucus cells which secrete the mucus in the stomach. As mucus secretion occur by the mucus cell and which make a layer, and this layer is called as mucus layer here, which protect the inner wall of the stomach from the acidic medium. The food which present in the stomach is called as chyme. Chyme means acidic food of stomach due to gastric juice. Due to gastric juice, and this gastric juice generally due to hydrochloric acid. As gastric juice due to hydrochloric acid, the name of food is as chyme. Chyme food, an acidic food due to gastric juice. In the stomach, as different types of cells present. Here the first cell is mucus cell. Mucus cell secrete the mucus. Another cell, as mucus cell here shown, present in the fundic lobe part, smaller as smallest size in comparison to the other type of cell, which secrete mucus, and mucus which generally spread all over the inner wall of stomach make the mucus layer, and this mucus layer prevent the stomach from the acid. Second cell is called as peptic cell or zymogen cell. Peptic cell are zymogen cell or chief cell. So these cells secretes the prorenin and propepsin in the stomach. Means secretion of prorenin and propepsin by the peptic cell. Here by the argentic cell generally secretion of HCl take place. Argentic cell generally secretion of HCl means hydrochloric acid take place, and this hydrochloric acid which makes acidic medium in the stomach when food reaches from the esophagus, and esophagus valve which generally has the a form of ruchi like structure for the much peristaltic movement in the upper part due to containing striated muscle, and lower part which contain striated and non-striated muscle generally has less peristaltic movement. So this is the structure of stomach in which the different type of digestive gland, digestive cells are shown here. These are digestive cells. These are digestive cells which is shown here by the name mucus cell which secrete mucus. Mucus as contain mucin protein which generally act as antibacterial property. So here the function of stomach is, main function of stomach is two important functions as functions of stomach as two important functions, that is the first function is digestion of food, and digestion of food is very important function. Second function is kills bacteria, and third important function is as store food for 4 to 5 hours in the stomach. So this is the simple structure of the stomach which relates with esophagus and the duodenum, a part of small intestine, and the structures of stomach I have explained in very details, which generally has pouch in the body of stomach in the convex part, as the digestive cells which are of many types. Mucus cells secrete mucus and which make the mucus layer as inner wall of the stomach protected from the acid. Next is peptic cell which is also called as zymogen cell or chief cell, secretes the prorenin and propepsin which become in the form of pepsin and renin due to the effect of acid, and augmentic cell which secrete the HCl hydrochloric acid which makes the acidic medium. That is why the pH become 1.5 to 1.8 in the stomach, and the food is called as chyme food, and this chyme term given due to the acidic food due to the gastric juice, presence of gastric juice. And now after the stomach, the total topic esophagus and stomach has completed. Please like, subscribe my channel Super Classes. Thanks.